brand new colors have just been added to the Stahls pressure sensitive vinyl lineup, and I'm super excited to talk to you about this today because we don't usually cover sign vinyl in our videos, but this is different because not only are we offering 5 new really hot colors that you can add to your offering for pressure sensitive vinyl, but it's also available in 12-inch widths, which is great for those of you at home working with small 12-inch cutters. Let me show you how we applied one of our new colors, rose gold. For today's project, I'm going to pair coral and Victorian blue with 2 of our other existing sign vinyl colors, and we're going to apply that to a tumbler. I already have my design cut and layered together, so before applying this to the tumbler, I'm going to remove its backing. That's saving my adhesive from sticking to anything else. And I'm going to lay my tumbler flat. Then I'm going to start from the center of my design and roll it out. Then I'm just going to take my thumb and apply pressure, starting from the center and working my way out to the side. I'm just going to repeat that same step on the other side as well. Once everything looks as if it's in place, we can go ahead and remove the carrier. And I just love the way the coral and the Victorian blue pair perfectly together for this really cute sign vinyl and custom mug. You can get started with these 5 new beautiful colors of CAD-CUT pressure sensitive vinyl by visiting stahls.com.
Hey there, thanks for watching our video. If you like the content you're seeing, make sure you give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already followed our channel, the Stahls TV channel, make sure you do now. And of course, hit that notification bell. That way, whenever we push new videos to YouTube, you'll be notified first. Thanks for watching.